Good afternoon all. In previous lecture, we had discussed with a few drugs, opium, morphine, codeine, heroin, bhang, charas, ganja, marijuana, cocaine, LSD. Now, today we will discuss about the next drug. Barbiturate. Barbiturate is also known as sleeping pill. Generally, in the depression condition, to control the thoughts, unusual thoughts, to treat the depression condition, we use the barbiturate. Barbiturate diminishes the muscular activities and promotes sleeping. So barbiturates, also known as sleeping pill. Next, amphetamines. Amphetamines used to keep awakeness. So to promote the awakeness, amphetamines can be taken. So amphetamines, it is exactly opposite to the barbiturate. So barbiturate is known as sleeping pill and amphetamine is known as awakening pill or awakening pill, whatever you say. Another drug, benzodiazepines. Diazepam, clonazepam. Okay. So these all drugs these all drugs are useful to treat the insomnia as well as depression. So barbiturate is sleeping pill, amphetamines is a waking pill. These are very important points. Now, adolescence. Which are the causes of addiction? Adolescence means the age between 12 to 18 years. It is the bridge linking childhood and adulthood. Now, see, in adolescence, generally, which are the causes of addiction or alcohol abuse? Fine. See, causes of the abuse or addiction. Let me understand it. Failure in exam leads to failure in career. Failure in career, poor family background, and in some person there is a hobby. Okay. Now, addiction and dependence. So, tolerance power of the body gradually increases. Initially, what happened with the help of the low dose effect can be seen, but gradually tolerance increases. Now, sudden withdrawal sudden stoppage here actually addiction and dependence in that you know that if the person can take the once if the person can take once a drug, then he or she is more susceptible towards the addiction. Initially the tolerance power is low, gradually the body tolerance power increases. If we suddenly stop the drug, fine, so that condition is known as withdrawal syndrome. Okay, suddenly stop the taking the drug. So here few symptoms are there. Withdrawal syndrome symptoms are anxiety, shakiness, nausea, sweating, confusion, so many symptoms are there. Sometimes this withdrawal syndrome is become much more riskier, that hospitalization is necessary. Hospitalization as well as particular medical supervision is necessary for this. But withdrawal syndrome, from that we cure the person only and only by giving that drug again. Okay, so if the person can take the drug again, fine, then he or she will be cured as early as possible. Now, effects of drug and alcohol abuse. First point, reckless behavior. The person's behavior is in not controlled manner, violence. Death due to respiratory failure and heart failure. Previously I told you that When the drug is adversely affected, respiratory arrest, stoppage of the respiration as well as heart failure leads to death. Deteriorating relationship with family and friends. So the spoilage of the relationship with family and friends. Then if the person cannot obtain the money, cannot get the money from anywhere, stealing occurs. चोरी करશે. Chances of getting very dangerous and incurable diseases like AIDS and hepatitis B. You know that AIDS and hepatitis B are caused by contaminated blood contact objects. If affected person had used the needle, and that infected or contaminated needles can be used by the person to take the IV drug. Okay? So he or she got the AIDS as well as hepatitis B. More alcoholic substances cause the severe damage to the nervous system, and so many nervous system disorders can be seen there. Especially in the initial time, the alcoholic substances affect the cerebellum first. You know that we have balance and coordination center situated in the cerebellum. So this is affected there. The alcoholic substances affect the fat metabolism. As a result, abnormal fat metabolism causes the storage of the undigested fat in the liver. It causes fatty liver, and at last cirrhosis of liver occur. Fine. So that is known as liver failure. And after that, no chance for survival. Here, no chance of treatment, but here prevention and control is important. As you know that prevention is better than cure. So here few preventions are there. Number one, don't apply the much more pressure on the child, male or female child, fine. Give the chance to grow themselves. Don't put the boundaries, fine. So it is under avoid undue peer pressure. Another point is education and counseling. Here, educate the male or female child in a such a way, do the proper counseling with the child, and teach them that failure is a part of the life. You give the such idea about the future challenges and how to face it, and how to become success in that. The energy of the male adolescents can be now shifted on the sport activities, extracurricular activities in that, so that child cannot think about other things. Fine. So education and counseling is very, very important. Seeking help from the parents and peers. Here, treat the adolescents in a such a way that parents and peers or friends or relative members are close and trusted friends for them. So, if the adolescents feel anxiety or guilty in any condition, so parents and family members help support them, and keep them out of the anxiety as well as guilty or depression. Fine. So seeking help from the parents and peers. Looking for danger sign. If one person can take the drug, alert his or her teacher, parents, friends or relative members, and proper counseling him. Proper counseling can be done for this. Now in future what they have to do. Fine. And last, seeking professional and medical help. In any type of the addiction and abuse condition, psychiatrist and psychologist experts are required here. So professional and medical help of proper counseling can be done, improve their willpower for avoiding the addicted drug. Fine. Here, beer and wine are low content of the alcohol. Very low level of alcohol is there in beer and wine. Whereas brandy, whiskey, rum and gin, these are distilled but high alcoholic containing beverages. Fine. Alcohol is rapidly absorbed in stomach. Actually, in the 11th standard, 16th chapter, we had learned with this. Majority alcohol can be absorbed by wall of the stomach. In liver, alcohol is converted into more toxic substance acetaldehyde, and due to this accumulation of the acetaldehyde toxic substance in the liver, it causes the fatty liver. Effects of alcohol drinking. Fatty liver syndrome, cirrhosis of liver, also known as biliary cirrhosis disease. This indicates liver failure as well as amnesia. Loss of memory. Okay, so these many symptoms are there. Now only 2 points. Biomedical technology, in that two methods. Yes. Here, when the artery is blocked, atherosclerosis, you had heard about this. When the artery is blocked, hardening of the artery, so saphenous vein from the leg region can be taken and coronary artery can be bypassed. So this is known as CABG, bypass surgery, the name of it. And the last portion, PTCA. Percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty. method, if very small blockage is there, very small blockage less than 100%, 60, 70 or whatever, normally in a healthy person 30% artery is normally blocked. In normal healthy person 30% arteries, coronary arteries are normally blocked. But if the blockage is much more, fine, not a total one, but here we use the angioplasty procedures. So in angioplasty we use the two procedures. Balloon therapy, stent therapy, or balloon implantation, stent implantation, fine. ECG, all these things you had learned with this.